Here's William playing with this truck. Yay! And playing with it appropriately, pushing it on the ground. All right. Yeah, look, it dumps up and down. This is Stacy, Will's therapist. Ouch! You rolled over Mommy's toes. Good job, William J. Yay! Do you like that? Do you like that truck? Boom! Oh, look how it dumps. Oh! Woo! This is just so exciting. This is the first time he's ever played with it correctly. Okay. Oh no, there it is. He didn't play with the wheels.
He just didn't know quite yet how to make it.
Look. Woo! Good job, William J. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye.